Today we're playing with some new Artful Angel stamps and Kendra's Card Challenge 17 sketches to make these adorable cards. Hey, it's Beth. Welcome. Today is the Kendra's Card Challenge 17 and Artful Angel Super Sponsor Hop. So there is a playlist linked in the description box below you can check out to see all of the design team members playing with Artful Angel products today. Artful Angel was kind enough to send me some adorable stamps. Their stamp sets are always adorable, but I have the Garden Gnomes stamp set with some cute gnomes and garden tools, and home is where your gnome is. And then I have, help if I put the paper, not the other stamp set behind it. I have the Slow Much stamp set, the adorable sloth, and then the Never Change Your Stripes stamp set. So it's got this zebra, a raccoon, and a cow, and then I always love their sentiments, like their punny sentiments. So never change your stripes, see you soon, raccoon, and then how's it going? So I am going to be playing with this stamp set on camera today, but I am going to show you some other cards made with one of the other stamp sets and then some of the other sketches. Today I'm on camera. I'm going to be focusing on sketch number 1 from KCC 17. So let's get crafting. I'm going to start off by stamping the cute little cow. I just think he's so adorable, and I love that phrase, how's it going? I am in the process of trying to finish up making cards for the Cards for Cub card drive, so I thought this would be an adorable card and sentiment to send for that. It's the first time I've used the stamp, so it does take a bit to get it nice and dark. And I am actually going to color. I don't do this very often, but I wanted to color up the little cow, so I'm going to do some very basic coloring on him. And while I'm coloring, but first, I don't think cows actually have a little peach or pink nose, but I wasn't sure what other color to make it, so peach it is. But anyway, if you are new to Kendra's Card Challenges, each quarter, Cards by Kendra puts together a PDF printable that has a cutting guide for 6x6 sheets of pattern paper, and then 15 sketches that help you turn those sheets of pattern paper into 15 cards. You can do all 15 cards at one time, or you can do one card at a time. It depends on how you like to craft. Each individual sketch has its own measurements on the sketch, so if you want to just make one card, you will still know what you need to cut all your pieces. So like I'm using just the measurements on sketch 1 today for my card. One nice thing about Kendra's Card Challenges is she's always very generous, and she works with a lot of great sponsors like Artful Angel, who donate prizes for various challenges throughout the quarter. So one of the biggest challenges is that you can submit a photo of all 15 of your cards in one photo once per month for a chance to win a prize, and this is through InLinkz or Links Party. It's a link party through InLinkz, I think is what it's called. So you can scan the QR code on the PDF printable from Cards by Kendra, and it will take you to the page on her website that has the link party pages, and only the active month's link party will be able to click in. The other months will not allow you to click into it. So that just helps you feel good that it's going into the right place. But this is just makes it easier for Kendra to be able to run the giveaway. And it's kind of nice that you can see like a gallery of everybody's who's submitted it all in one place. Again, you can do it once per month. We are now in March, which is the last month of this quarter. So you have one last chance to enter if you haven't already. And then starting in April, we'll start a new quarter and a new challenge, and the process starts all over again. There's also a chance to win a prize on this video. So down in the description box below, there is a link to a giveaway form that you can fill out and have a chance to win another prize from Kendra. And this one, you can go to all the videos in this hop. If you click on the playlist, you can go through all the videos in the hop and fill out the form with each video and have multiple chances to win. Also in the description box will be information on how you can obtain the printable from Cards by Kendra. You just have to sign up with a free Patreon account, totally free. You just do need to sign up with an account in order to be able to download it, and then you can play along. I have all my pieces for my card cut, and I am just going to assemble at this point. I liked the country feel to these papers. This is an older paper pad. I've had like a 6x6 pad I've had in my stash, and I think it's called Country Roads. So I just liked the country feel to it. I was trying to figure out if I wanted to go cutesy, like black and white cow print, what I wanted to do as far as, colors and patterns, and I just decided I'm going to go with this pad, and so the cow will kind of pop off of like the bright colors behind it. But once I dug into this, there were a few little scraps that I had along with that pad, and then still a bunch of full sheets left, but the sheets that I ended up using for my card today, I added those to the scraps, and you're going to see some additional cards here coming up towards the end. But don't forget to follow along with the playlist to see what other sketches everybody else is using and what Artful Angel products they have this month. I thank you to Artful Angel for sending me such cute stamp sets. And I will have these linked in the description box below for you as well, so you can go and check them out if you're interested. I've got my card front assembled and can add that to my card base. This is an A2 card base, so 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then another thing I don't normally do is I'm using foam on the back of the cow, but just because there was several layers of all the different pieces on the card front, and so I thought I'd just go ahead and pop him up on some foam squares so I didn't have to worry about trying to level him. And all I had left were a bunch of the little squares, so that took me forever to put those on and then pull all the backings off. So like I said before, I'm going to go with the sentiment Cows It Going. And I'm just using this for the little element that on the sketch, there's actually not anything in the center of the card. There is an object, it says any object kind of towards the bottom right of that bottom triangle. And so that's actually where I'm going to put my sentiment. I just thought that would be a good spot. And because there are 2 layers of paper, like this is a thicker pattern paper and then the cardstock, I am going to try and level this with some scrap white cardstock that was on my desk. I think he's so cute. I have a kind of menagerie of animals on our property. Nothing big at this point, but I would love me a mini cow. But according to my husband, this is as close to a mini cow as I'll probably ever get to come. So I'm just using some white vinyl stickers that I made from scrap vinyl in my stash to balance out the card up in the top left. I'm going to add the scrap to the inside, and then this card will be complete. Here's a closer look at my card we made today, and then I'm going to bring in the other cards that I made. I made one more with sketch number 1, just kind of using the opposite of the colors. And then I also used sketch 9 and turned it horizontal. And then I used sketch 12 to finish off some of the strips that I had left. So that one worked perfect to finish off the last bit of scraps that I had created. So here's my 4 cards. I did use the gnome stamp set as well. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to check out the playlist linked in the description box below, as well as the Artful Angel products. Thank you so much for your time, and hope you all have a very crafty day.